Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by taking quick, high-impact steps that reveal the problem. First, clear at least 15% of storage so the system gets working space. This reduces app swapping and stutters. Once done, restart the phone to flush temporary processes, then check settings for any OS updates. Updates often fix performance bugs. While you're here, turn off background app refresh and limit location access. These stop apps from draining CPU and battery constantly. Now dive deeper. Inspect battery and CPU usage to find apps hogging resources, because a single rogue app can slow the whole device. You should offload or uninstall any app using over 500 MB or that you rarely open. Offloading preserves data without the app binary. Make sure to clear app caches and update the apps you keep, since updates tighten performance. Finally, remove unnecessary home screen widgets and animations, which continuously consume CPU cycles and memory. Finish by optimizing system settings. Enable low power or battery saver to throttle background tasks, and reduce sync frequency for email and social accounts so the device wakes less often. If you still see lag tied to connectivity, reset network settings to clear corrupt caches. If apps misbehave, reset app preferences. As a last resort, back up your data and perform a factory reset. This removes lingering software issues. If problems continue, try one.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.